All right, guys, we're setting up. As you guys can see, got my spinner ready. I already pre-treated. We're letting the tile and grout dwell so we can break up that soil load, as you guys know we do. And yeah, guys, it's going to be a good one. Hope you're all doing well. Hey, yo, let's go. Stay tuned. Turn this light on so we don't forget. There it is. Perfect. Let's get to it, guys. Happy Wednesday. All right, guys, we're spotting the well, as you guys can see. Getting that soil load suspended and back to the original state, everybody. Cheaper to clean it and restore it and seal it than to replace it. Only $2 a square foot. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, guys, a little update. It's drying now. When it dries, we're going to apply the impregnated sealer. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got finished up. I'm on the hill in St. Louis. There's actually a pretty good restaurant over there that has really good Italian sausages. I might check them out later, but just got done doing the town grout, guys. Letting it dry as we speak. As you guys know, that's the service we're doing. And then we're going to seal it with an impregnated sealer. And that's going to do it, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Hey, yo, let's go. Starting to warm up a little bit out here. Come on, spring. All right, this is the first peek. You can already see how it's drying, guys. Look how much better these grout lines are. Back to the original state, guys. They're gonna love it. The bathroom turned out great as well. It's still drying in some areas. Look at that, guys. All that soil and grime is gone. Wow. Look at that, guys. Still drying over here. Man, that looks good. Got the fans on over here. Wow. Night and day, guys. Look at this. Look how soil that was through here. And over there. Still drying over here. Yes, sir. They're gonna love it. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna seal it, and that's a wrap. We got 2 other more estimates tomorrow. Dryer vent cleaning, and then a hardwood clean and buff. And then we got a screen recall the following day. And then that's it for the weekend. And then next week we got, I believe, 2 hardwood jobs in the books, a duct cleaning, and some carpet. And I think a sectional. So stay tuned for those videos. And as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit the bell, like and subscribe to our channel. That encourages us to give more content to add value to you as the homeowner, and really to educate you guys on how to properly maintain your flooring for a better indoor environment and your ducts as well. So be sure to hit the bell, follow us, subscribe. We surely appreciate it, and that supports us and keeps us with more content. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, I just sealed it with the impregnated sealer. It's going to flash off and dry to a matte finish, and all is well. The client came by and was blown away. All right, guys, have a good one. See you in the next one.